Hello and welcome to Eloquens.com. Let's get started with your dashboard tour by clicking on the square dashboard icon. Your dashboard is where you can see your channel's performance. Here you can see the Views section, which shows the number of people who have looked at your best practices. The Downloads section indicates the number of people who have downloaded your best practices. Moving along to Reviews, we can see here that this channel has received 70 reviews. Reviews are the feedback left by content consumers, which is great for encouraging sales as it helps the author to know how useful their content is, what users have enjoyed and what can be improved upon. The Sales section shows the sales revenue over several months. You can select this drop-down box to view your channel's performance from your entire time at Eloquens, the last 7 days, the last 30 days or the last 3 months so you can have a more precise view of your channel statistics. You can also click on each individual best practice to track its performance and sales. Here you can see the conversion rates of this best practice, which is the percentage of people who have viewed your best practice versus how many people went on to download your best practice. This is a helpful indicator which highlights which publications are performing better than others and which your audience responds best to. If you click on Downloads, the yellow View Your Users button enables you to see the specific users of your best practice. This is a great tool as you can then discuss and network with your users and even identify potential leads for your business. If you scroll down, you can see other channels or authors that are similar to yours. This feature can be used to benchmark yourself against them or again can be used as a networking opportunity. After publishing with Eloquens, make sure to keep an eye on your dashboard to help you maintain and improve your Eloquens channel.